There might be times when you're using tools or software outside of Purple Mash with the children, but you'd like them to include their work in their Purple Mash online portfolio. You might also like to use the to-do system to set them work. Let's have a look at how you might do this. If I go up to the to-dos area at the top to the left, I'll see New To Do. When I click on New To Do, I can add a title and a description. In this example, the children are going to be using PowerPoint. We've got a unit on PowerPoint in our scheme of work. Set the title and description as you normally would, and expand to set that for a class, group, or child. In this second window, add a task. For this example, I've just saved a blank PowerPoint document. When I click on Choose, I'm going to click on From My PC and select the PowerPoint that I've saved. Then I'm going to click Next. I can set the date and time, etc. as I normally would, and then click Next. I can then add tags and objectives. If I wanted to mark these PowerPoints against curriculum objectives, I could select them here. I'm going to tag this one PowerPoint and 3.9 for Unit 3.9. I'll be able to search using these tags later to find this work. Then I'm going to review my to-do and set my to-do. You'll see now that it appears in my to-dos list along with my Purple Mash to-dos. I'm now logged into Purple Mash as a child in that class. When I go to to-dos, I can see the PowerPoint presentation. When I click on Open, it will download the document that I uploaded. The children can then complete their PowerPoint presentation and save it to their computer. And once they've done that, they can click on Upload Work, browse for their file, and upload it into their to-do. As soon as the file's been uploaded, they can click on Hand In to hand that in. Back in as the teacher, I can go to my to-dos and click on See Work just like any other to-do. I can see who's uploaded a file, and I can click on Mark to mark it in the same way I would any other Purple Mash file. I can assess it against the objective that I set, I can give it a reward and a comment. I can't preview the PowerPoint here, but I could click on it to download it and open it. When I make judgments against that PowerPoint work, I can go to Data and view those judgments in the same way as I would my other assessment. If you want children to upload photographs, then you can click on New To Do, fill in the title and description, and when you add the task, just upload a Word document with the description of the task rather than a blank file. You can also upload external documents in the Work area. I can click on the Upload button to choose files from my computer. If I'm looking through the children's to-do work in the Work area, I'll still be able to see their uploaded files.